Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're doing great and hope you're having a good weekend. And welcome to this new update on dogs. All right, which this morning I actually bought dogs. Now, not the amazing timing. I think I bought it like somewhere right here after it was pumping, and I thought we would actually be able to continue the pump. And so far, we've dropped down. However, I am, and that's also why I bought, of course. I am slightly getting more bullish on dogs. This morning and over the course of the night and this morning, if you're from Asia, we've actually seen a decent bid coming in for dogs. All right, and I think fundamentally it's also lining up relatively well, because the 26th of September, obviously we have the real hamster combat launch. Right now, I think you can already trade it pre-market, but that's obviously something very, very different, I would say. And that's going to be. Yeah, and we're back. Hopefully I cut that out. But no, when Hamster Combat launches, that will obviously take away the attention that dogs still has at this point of time in terms of volume and trading. So it is the ideal moment to orchestrate some sort of a pump. And then if we look at the technical structure, obviously on Friday, when the market had a lot of bullish momentum, dogs was able to get a big bullish breakout here above the 236 fib, and just in general above this bearish formation or this bearish structure we'd been forming. So that was quite bullish. But in general, if you look at the market, like at this point of time in terms of structures, what you had is this structure, this consolidation down here, and we've been able to break above that twice, right? So the 6th of September and the 10th of September, we've been able to break above that. But both of those times, we've not been able to hold the level after breaking it. And there something different comes in right now, all right? Because at this point of time, and in the last 2 days and this weekend, we have been able to hold this major key level between 1070 and 1060. And that's why I'm slightly getting more bullish. Now, like I said, over the course of the night, we also got a bit of a bid coming in, which I will show you, of course. And that combination is why I bought. Now, does that mean that you have to buy it now as well? No, certainly not. All right. Like I said, I'm in a bit of drawdown right now, and dogs remains very high risk, right? So for me, like if you look at the price right now, I would say the potential risk is that we drop back down to 1,000, right? So that we fail to hold this level for a third time. That would be right after these two other times, but it is a possibility that we drop back down and we drop about 7.5%. That's the risk of what's going on with dogs right now. And then if we're talking about the potential reward, I would say that's much higher, because the potential reward is at least 1,240 right here, which is already a risk reward of 2-to-1 with a 15% move. And the potential is well, not virtually limitless, but we can get up. We can do a 25% move as well. We can get up to the 786 fib. So is this guaranteed? No. But if we're able to hold this level right here between 1075 and 1060 over the course of today, I would say it's quite likely. I expect the market to continue to be bullish as well, so that's helping as well. Like I said, we got a bit of a bid coming in earlier this morning. Open interest is rising. So now what will be a key moment to watch, I would say, for dogs, is how we react to this liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity down here at around 1060, 1050. It looks quite likely that we are still dropping down into that area, right? So that we're grabbing that liquidity. We have to get a solid reaction after grabbing that liquidity. If we can, I would say it's likely we will be continuing to be bullish. If we're not getting a strong reaction from that liquidity right here, so we just liquidate that and we don't get a strong bounce, then it's more likely we'll drop down towards 1,000 again. So keep your eyes on that level. Keep your eyes on those liquidity zones. For now, I'm still leaning to be bullish on this, but I'll keep you updated on that. All right, those are my thoughts on it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, have a great Sunday. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.